So in the United Kingdom, and according to the UK census done in 2011, the 2021 or 2021, whenever that was done, it's not out yet, right? Black women make up 63.6 of the 2.9 BAME women working. So the 2.9 BAME, which includes anything non-white essentially, black women make up 63.6% of the group. So what that basically means, we make a very large majority of the working women in the workforce, but it is a shame that in the senior leadership positions, we do not reflect that diversity, right? You have a situation where the workforce itself, the people that do the thing, right, the people on the ground at the entry levels, right, are trying to be represented. And I think we've done better in having a more diverse and representative workforce, but we're really lagging behind when it comes to leadership positions. And leadership positions, depending on different sectors, are usually those at the top. So those are the ones steering the decisions at the top, which includes CEO, CTO, COO, the executive board, usually in a corporate, but that can also include the chief execs